All right, guys, we have this 2011 BMW 328i. It had a no start, no crank. I see a lot of people complaining about this issue, and they say that it's the starter, the cast module, or it might be a loose ground, the cast relay. What happened with this car was that the battery kept draining overnight because it had a parasitic draw. On this one's the electronic water pump. Sometimes it starts sucking in the battery overnight. So the way that you can fix this is using a high scanner with the capability to reset the cast module. So what you want to do is go to anti-theft locks, electronic mobilizer cast, and you click on it. I'm not going to click on it right now because it's going to want to do the process again, even though I already did it. And it'll reset the position of this steering wheel column. And once the reset is done, it'll tell you to cycle the ignition a few times. You cycle it, and then you're able to turn on the car. And that's it. That's all you have to do.